So what we call the new paradigm of the EMS is the efficiency microbial system. Is to create a probiotics environment, balance the heterotropics and autotropics introduced. So you don't need any water chemical management to do all this. It's just a balance, hetero and auto. It's how to have an early maturity shrimp. Is to enhance the factor score rate by creating a natural biochloroids, invertebrates, copepods as natural life feed for the post larvae or stocking with fermented plant protein. This one I will talk at last. But it's very interesting. And it will save the whole world without destructive to the ocean fish later. It's expanding mortality system. So once we have completed this process, we can enlarge farms. Small farmers can be spent on their feet to grow, to earn money, to support children to school for better education. But if the industry of shrimp farming is correct, the children in school have to come back to the farm because there's no money to go on supporting. So this is I am really focused on small farmers. For big cooperatives, we can discuss later. But help the small farmer first. We have tried so many various systems. I want to learn. I read so much about biofraud. I read about so many theories, about so many practical fields, and no one has any idea how it works unless you have hands on it. We install aeration bricks everywhere. Wherever we go, just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it. Buy pump. The pump factory got so happy that, hey, this is booming. The pipe is booming, everywhere is booming. But we have known nothing about it because there's no theory behind, especially shrimp. If we have such a large volume of rock for shrimp, the dissolved oxygen will deplete it so fast. The shrimp is a surface movement, crustacean. So any dirty spot, they will have black gill, they will have white muscle, they will have some, if infected, some numbers of diseases. The full nursery full of copepods. We grew copepods, but when we release out, it's a different environment. Some survive, some damage. So, how to recover this? Can we do it without nurseries? Can we do it in a hectare ponds? That's a challenge again. So, instead of nursing, let's do something different. Let's install aeration bricks through the ponds and see how it works. Zero support by government. But with passion, everything can be done. Our friends happy seeing INHOF. What is INHOF? I took from the books and put it on the field. Everyone got happy looking in the HOF. Hey, there's a frog there, there's a copepod, this is called rotifer. Let's go through microscopy and learn everything together. All small farmers enjoying, and we are enjoying also. So this is copepods. It's not the frog precipitation. This is 80 single cubic centimeters of water is full of copepods. And this is the biochloroids. I will show you the video. The system created has turbidity only 15 centimeters. Very, very, very low. But that 15 centimeters is full of natural living microdiets. I will show you. This is the copepod in biofraud system. So we have the name as the copepod. Because I don't know how to describe this. So look at the turbidities. It's only 15 cents. But took out the water, put it in INHOF, it's full of copepods. And that's a 53 days experiment. 125 pieces per square meter. We stock too much. We stock too much. If we stock only 50, that one would go 15 grams for sure. We just stock too much. Experiment trial, 100% micro diets, no feeding. So from the theories, from Dr. Yaram's theory, we fed the shrimp with biofroc. And inside the biofroc, of course, there are many other species. So let's do it on field. 100% micro diets, zero feeding. Study from August 2014 to December. 3,000 square meters is total 4,000 cubic meters. Density is 25 pieces per cubic meter or 56. DOC is 90 days. We cast net and then we get 10 grams. It's about below 100 grams, 100 pounds. For 99 days, you get 100 pounds. But application 3 ppm of rice bran every day. That's cheap compared to the biomass you're getting. You are converting the rice bran to a high-value proteins. Nearly free, of course, only electrical charge that you're paying. And what happened is that we try to minimize the fog volume as low as possible. The SB30 is settling index volume, which means we have the in-half, we let it settle for 30 minutes, and we kept it at 0.5 to 1 ml per liter maximum. But my friends told me it grows a little slow. So I dreamed these words in my mind and slept through the night. The next mistake I made, we increased the fog volume very fast, expecting a fast growth. Instead of that, the pond collapsed. So we learn. Don't challenge something you don't know. Try to challenge something slowly with better understanding, but not from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. And then you have existing equipment which is not sufficient enough to provide a better oxygen. Then multiply the whole system.